Welcome to the Jesse Hill Market, which is located on the ground floor of the Grady Hospital parking deck. Believe it or not, at one time, this space was actually occupied by a popular fast food chain. But in 2016, its doors closed for good. And so began the 5-year planning of what Grady Hospital feels will now take its food as medicine program to the next level. Gone are those greasy burgers and fries, replaced with wholesome, fresh, nutritious meals for patients, staff, and the surrounding community.
One of the things that we've really come to understand about the people that we serve at the food bank is that one of the most important negative consequences they face of being food insecure relates to their health. The people that we serve through the food bank have a variety of negative health outcomes that they're more likely to have to deal with, whether it's diabetes or high blood pressure or heart disease. And a lot of that has to do with not only not having enough food, but not having enough of the right kind of food.
We partnered with the Atlanta Community Food Bank and Open-Hand Atlanta to do a multi-pronged approach to address food insecurity and chronic disease. And our philanthropy community is over the moon. They supported us in a big way with this effort, and everyone internally is excited to have access to more nutritious foods during their lunch break and excited about the opportunity for their patients to receive the food prescription.
Now, it's important to note that in order for patients to be eligible for the food prescription program, they must first undergo screenings for food insecurity and chronic disease at their primary clinic. If those tests show that they are in fact diabetic and food insecure, then that day they can receive a box of fresh produce, which, by the way, is just the tip of the iceberg.
What differentiates us, one, we renovated a space that used to be occupied by a fast food restaurant, so that's pretty interesting. And it is really a hub for wellness, looking to serve both patients, employees, and visitors, with the market component, with the teaching kitchen component that offers classes for patients, but also classes for employees, and then the food prescription program. So we're really trying to address all of the nutrition needs of both our patients and our employees.
So the folks that we're serving through the Jesse Hill Market, they're facing a variety of challenges. They obviously need help getting enough food. They're dealing with health problems. They're probably dealing with a variety of economic problems. And so to solve for those challenges, they need us in the service industry to really collaborate and address all of the root causes that are leading to those challenges.
Obviously, farmers, they played a big role in providing the food, local farmers, fresh, local grown food. If Grady Hospital as a whole could say anything to these farmers, what would they say?
First, we would say thank you. Thank you for what you do every day to make it possible for us to provide nutritious food to our patients and employees. We know that times are hard right now, and it is difficult for everybody. And we also want to highlight farmers in the market and help people understand where their food comes from. And so we have some great marketing ideas on how to get farmers into the space. Once we can have more people in one space to, talk about where the food comes from and highlight the farmers. So that's certainly an interest of ours as well. And we look forward to partnering in that way.